Okay guys, so I need some help. I'm in my room. It's not done yet, but here's my question. So I just put that up, and I have that right there, which is a laundry basket. But if you look over here, I have this side done. That's my curtains over that in that bag. But like when you look at this side versus this side, it looks uneven, and I feel like I need something there to ground it. And I have my trunk right here, and I have that brown suitcase right there, and I was thinking maybe I should put that trunk right there, put the suitcase on top of it, maybe try to like have something go a little bit higher to kind of do like an asymmetrical balance. If you couldn't tell, I kind of like the asymmetrical look, but I still want it to look even. I'm gonna get rid of the Hello Kitty bank just because like I'm 30 now, so you could still be 30 and love Hello Kitty, but you know. This right here, I'm good on this. And then I have my trash can, and I still have to figure something out for storage of some of my makeup and my makeup tools. I have more of these mercury glass mason jars. I want to put them up here and have them be up there for my makeup, so I can just like grab my makeup brushes up there. And then I want to store my makeup down there. I already have some makeup in my makeup case, but it's already too big. I have this flower arrangement. It's staying in the corner. That's staying. I already have the curtains. That's staying. I don't know if I should keep the picture there. I want to keep the picture, but I'm talking about like the picture inside. I took that picture in San Diego, but I have another picture that I took in Knight's Ferry that kind of is more rustic, that has that perspective shot as well that I really like. And then I have my feather reef right there and my key. The stuff that I'm selling on Poshmark that I no longer want. And my TV is supposed to go right there. Excuse my little mess. I recently put in my, I didn't notice that until I started filming. But I have my dresser there, and I have this up here and that over there. I still have one more shelf to put up. I'm thinking, because the TV is going to be mounted to the wall, I was thinking about putting the shelf underneath the TV, just for like maybe some DVDs or remotes. And then this is done right here. That's styled the way I want it to be styled. Pretty much the bed is the way I want it to be. And then so I got these curtains at Ross, and they've got like the little pom-poms, but I attempted to put in curtain rods, and the curtain rods that we had were too small, and we don't have matching ones, because this room has 1, 2, 3 windows, but I'm not going to cover that window, obviously, because that would look funky. But let me know what your guys' thoughts are on this situation right here, because I feel like I needed to do something right there. because I feel like it's a little top heavy, and then on the bottom it's not grounded and it's irritating me. I also want to get a floor length mirror. And I was thinking about putting it over here or moving the dresser over so I can put it somewhere, just so I can film outfits of the day again. So yeah,